What's up, guys? We took a trade on Asia session for Top Step just now. I'll go over this in a second, but I want to go over we blew the Alpha Zero account. Honestly, not really tripping about it. I really don't care that much. This was just kind of supposed to be full ported on CPI, but I kind of just kept it around because I didn't get the amount of money that I needed. But I guess we can go over the trades. I don't know where the trades are. Like, New York is like somewhere around here. Um, yeah, I literally have no idea where they went, but I have a screenshot of them, so we can just go over it. The higher time frame structure doesn't really matter for this strategy, so I mean, doesn't matter too much. We have 1 a.m. lows that we were targeting on this trade. We have a pullback into a 1 minute and 30-second for value gap here. And then we have a close below, if you see my cursor, this wick right here. Close below, that's a good trade. I mean, I'd take that pretty much every time. Just the stop loss is a little weird. But it was I didn't want to have it all the way up here because it's just too far. If we're gonna go up there, we're just gonna disrespect it. But that's one, and then this one here. There's a little issue on this. Now that I see it, we targeted 1 a.m. highs, or I think 1 a.m. highs and London highs, and then there was a gap above it. So very heavy draws. We had just swept out equal highs. And when I entered, or I guess we pulled back into a 30-second for value gap. There was also a 1 minute that we tapped into. But where I messed up is this was nowhere near within equilibrium. Not only the fact that it wasn't equilibrium, but we should have at least tapped into this one before coming up. Just because there's a lot of gaps to fill down here. There's no reason to really just tap this one and then go straight up to our DOL. We got to have a little bit more of a pullback. So that's kind of my bad. Kind of just getting used to the strategy a little bit. And also I shouldn't have entered when we just swept equal highs. Like, I don't know why I did that, but I did it and I can't really take it back. So it's all good. But let's just get that out of the way. I don't really care. I went on an Asia session tonight. I actually do trade Asia session now for gold. It's very, very solid. I gotta set some sort of limit though of trades because I feel like I'm taking too many trades. Even if they're good quality, like I still need to limit myself. But again, I don't really care about this account too much. We had like 1,600 and maybe like a $1,500 buffer this morning, and negative 1,000 this morning, as you guys can see on that screenshot, which was unfortunate. I wanted to enter another trade this morning, but my daily loss limit got hit, and that was that. So, and then just decided to go on Asia session, took a trade, and we got stopped out. I kind of just went into this session like, whatever happens. I don't really care. We have barely any drawdown. Might as well try to bring it back. Didn't end up bringing it back, but it's all good. We got a very good quality setup on the Top Step account, though. We now have $1,200, a little over $1,200 buffer on here. We're going to try to bring this one back. We're going to try to be pretty aggressive on this account. Like, I'll risk, like, probably 600 tomorrow, 600 the next day, just depending on where we're at. But I want at least 2 more trades on this. If I lose 2 in a row, then, whatever. I have a free reset. But going to try to get this one passed. But basically, this trade right here, we tapped into a 1 minute for value gap as well as a 30-second for value gap. We're delivering from sell side liquidity. We have 5-minute gaps resting above, as well as some buy side liquidity, lots of stacked highs, low resistance liquidity. So it actually looked pretty good for longs. So we come down, we don't inverse anything. 30-second and 1 minute hold. Then we come up. This is within equilibrium, so I'm chilling. I don't usually focus on equilibrium, but in this case, it was, so it's extra confluence. Have a huge displacement candle up. Close above this high, and that's my entry. We get a 1 to 0.07. And yeah, that was the trade. I like to risk light on Asia. If I'm gonna trade Asia, I'm gonna risk light, just because it's like it's not my main session. I'm still kind of trying to learn it, even though like it works. It's worked like a couple times. I still wanna just be like I don't know. I just want to be sure. Risk normal on New York AM, a little bit less on Asia, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure out if I want to keep trading Asia. It's definitely been working well, for me on like good quality setups like this. It's been working well, but kind of want to stay disciplined and just trade New York AM. I don't really know. I might just talk to some people, see what they think, because I don't want to be that guy that trades multiple sessions. But I mean, it really is nice price action on gold for Asia. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'm gonna try to trade tomorrow, but if not, then I'll see you guys on Thursday.